Y'all ready for this?
For the Wupatki?
A 100-room pueblo
100 room?
with a tower, community room, and ceremonial ball court.
100 room?
Yeah, 100 room. Community heavily engaged in farming, ceremony, trade, and crafts. You can see like they use the natural rock that was already here,
That's right.
like this.
Yep.
And then they built onto it to build their house. So it already had like a solid,
Natural wall.
yeah. And then they built all around it, which is really smart.
What's this one called? The Wookiee Pueblo?
Wukoki, I think.
The Wukoki. Not the Wookiee.
No.
Star Wars.
Star Wars.
We're standing inside of the Wukoki, I guess it's the Wukoki Pueblo. And you can see the walls are just amazing. I mean, the structure is phenomenal. And apparently the doorways are only big enough for a 10-year-old. So now we're leaving the Wukoki
Yeah.
Pueblo.
Yeah. If the other pueblos are anything like the first two that we've already seen, this is pretty exciting.
I mean, you could literally walk through that thing.
Yeah.
It's amazing how, I mean, just how ingenious they were to use the natural formation of the rock as walls, and then use a rock that was standing above all the other ones so you could get a good vantage point.
Yeah.
Though, I question their location because it's not like there's a lot of water or anything out here.
Or shade.
It's hot. I remember talking to that one volunteer ranger, and he was saying that the normal lifespan of these people was like 35.
Yeah.
I can see why.
Yeah.
You're out here in the blazing heat, no water. I'm kind of shocked they made it to 35.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm kind of shocked I made it to 35. And I had water and shade. So where are we at now?
We are at another pueblo. Two, actually. We're at the Citadel and the other one.
She can't say it. Because pronunciation is not our strong point. What is this one?
Nalakihu. Nalakihu means lone house or house outside the village.
This is a mother-in-law house. So
That is so not nice.
for all the mother-in-laws out there, and we got some sweet real estate for you. Look at this. Get your own little laying spot. Stairs.
Are you trying to say that you don't like your mother-in-law?
I would never say that. Never say that about my mother-in-law. Something in my throat. The air is dry out here. These people did not mess around and came to building structures.
It's the people that are walking all over them now and disrespecting them is
Yeah.
what's frustrating.
Pretty frustrating when you see a bunch of kids up there on the walls.
Oh, it wasn't just kids. I'm pretty sure they're adults.
And
were
there are
doing it as
clear
well, and it's
signs.
just- yeah, like that isn't going to be around anymore for other people to see it if people just walk all over the walls.
We're at the last one, Lomaki. Let's go check this one out. So I guess at one time there used to be water in this creek. And then they built this pueblo on the water.